Good morning, everyone on Facebook. This is Michele Jordan with Badger Realty, and I am here to give you a tour of our beautiful model located at Kearsarge Brook condominiums at the base of Cranmore. So let me see here. All right, we are in the hall of the third floor. The model is 1301. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, beautiful unit, nice and bright. And, we're meeting up with Eileen Difeo from Badger. So yes, as you can see, this unit is being sold fully furnished with these great furnishings. And here's a great shot of the kitchen. Gosh, I don't know how Eileen does it when she does this. She's never shaky. So anyway, what I was saying is this unit is being sold fully furnished at $519, correct? Mm-hmm. Here's the living room looking out on the Pine Grove side. We'll get closer to that soon.
Beautiful open concept here, fully furnished like Michele said. You'll also notice our phase 2 finished displays out and about, so we can talk about that in a few minutes. Mm-hmm. Let's check out this balcony.
Oh yes, and today is a very special day because Kennett High School seniors are graduating on Cranmore Mountain today.
Yeah, so there's a lot of activity here today. Cranmore does so many positive things for the community, this being a big one.
It truly is a big one. It's going to be memorable, not just because of the virus, but because this graduation is so outside of the norm.
It is.
Yep.
Maybe they'll continue it as a tradition.
I think that would be cool.
Yeah. So proud of all these kids.
Yes. And as you can see, it's a beautiful view of these little pine groves here and the mountains. And that is where the sun sets every day. It's a gorgeous view.
It is. It's beautiful. A lot of green space out here.
Nice balconies on all of these units. And it's gorgeous today.
It's beautiful.
Yep. So let's go back in.
After you.
Thank you. And we'll show you, we have this beautiful gas fireplace.
Yes.
With ledger stone, which in this building was an upgrade.
But we are going to be offering this look as part of the standard package finish choices in phase 2. So any unit you choose in phase 2 will have this gorgeous stone wrapped, brought to the ceiling, reclaimed mantle and cap. And here are the standard finish choices. So you can go with kind of the brighter white, which would look great in this unit, or this more rustic slate, but I don't think you can go wrong with those choices.
I don't think so either.
They're beautiful.
I know in this building they did use this slate color more.
Yes, it was very popular for sure. And I think somebody has this. In this sample, you don't really see as much. There are more gray tones in this, if you see like a bigger display of it. So something we've been doing with a lot of our phase 2 buyers is, while we do have displays here, we can go right down to Chick's House to Home in town to help you choose finishes for phase 2 units. And there you kind of will see some bigger displays and more options if you wanted to go outside the standard packages.
Great. So also we wanted to mention that this unit has some custom built-ins. These cabinets on each side of the fireplace were custom
upgrades.
Correct.
Yeah. So they matched the kitchen cabinets and countertops here, which I think ties it all together. And I don't think it's a super pricey upgrade. So it might be something to consider. And if not, a lot of people put nice pieces of furniture here. You know, you can put a little bench or a bookcase. So there are a lot of options.
Mm-hmm.
Should we check out the bedrooms?
I think we shall.
And on the way, you'll see our luxury vinyl plank flooring, which here in 1301 and in all of the phase 2 units will be carried throughout the condo. So there will be no carpeting, unless you want it, of course.
Perfect.
So as you walk through the master, there's kind of a little hall here with a good sized closet.
Nice.
All of our holiday storage and whatnot. And then to your right, the great sized master bedroom.
It is a nice space. It's a lot of space.
It is. This is a good size bedroom set, you know, furniture wise, and there's plenty of extra room.
You could certainly put in a king-size bed here.
Absolutely, and still have extra space.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
Mm-hmm. And then your master bath is right through here, which is also a great size. All of the masters have a double granite vanity, beautiful tile flooring, and there are some of your flooring options. This unit comes with a gorgeous jet jacuzzi tub with tile surround. There's some really nice detail tile work in there.
It's beautiful. I love the shelves in the corner.
Mm-hmm. Very practical, but also beautiful. And something else to note, all of the masters have these great utility closets, but there's a lot of extra space in there. So while there is a water heater, there's a nice storage section here. So these closets are built with locking handles. We do not have any rental restrictions here at the Kearsarge Brook condos at Cranmore. So many of the owners rent when they're not using their units, and an easy way to do that is to just take their personal stuff, throw it in this closet, lock it, and it acts as a great owner's closet.
Great.
It's really hard to talk with a mask on. It moves around too much.
And these are the finishes that Eileen mentioned for the bathrooms in phase 2. So these would be the standard. You can always customize and upgrade.
Nice granite choices though, nice neutral colored tile. Again, I think you kind of can't go wrong with those choices. They mix and match well. And if you come through the main living area, you've got a good sized pantry here, which you could also use as a coat closet, although this unit, 1301, has another really nice additional built-in. So this was an upgrade to add this wainscoting and hooks and this nice bench with a little storage space underneath.
Beautiful.
So that acts as a great coat rack. You know, take off your shoes area. But if you wanted, you can have an additional coat closet here or pantry space depending on your needs. And then through here you kind of come into the guest room area. So there are 2 additional bedrooms here.
Oh, I love those bunk beds.
It's adorable, isn't it?
It is. That is so cute. And it's a good sized room again. Yep.
So this unit does come fully furnished. That said, if you wanted to switch those out for some bunk beds, that would probably work great too, depending on your needs. Got another full bath here for the guests with this time a walk-in shower. So all of these 3-bedroom, 2 full bath units have 1 walk-in shower and 1 tub.
Nice.
Which I think makes great sense. Tubs for kids, a walk-in shower for maybe some older folks.
Great. And this is the second guest bedroom.
Another beautifully furnished bedroom.
It is, truly.
Great wall hangings. This unit is truly turnkey, move-in ready.
Mm-hmm.
And all of the units also come with full-size stackable washer dryers right in unit.
Perfect.
Doesn't get any more convenient than that.
We should also mention that the units are heated and cooled with heat pumps. They're highly efficient. I'm sure you saw them in the bedrooms. So each bedroom has their own heat pump and AC unit with a control. This is the main one. And the main control can be controlled by your phone.
Which is so cool. So, you know, if you're driving up from the Boston area on a Friday night, you can get on your phone and turn the heat up so it'll be nice and cozy when you get here.
Right.
I'd also like to mention that this unit, which is for sale for $519, fully furnished, comes with an amazing benefits package. So we are offering, well, the developer is offering 5 years of year-round Cranmore passes for 4 people with this unit. So that's skiing, tubing, mountain adventure park. So ski passes for the whole family. And they are also waiving the first year of condo fees. So this unit is ready now, move-in ready, fully furnished, comes with your ski passes. All you have to do is pull on into the private gated parking lot, stash your skis in your deeded ski locker, and you're ready to go.
Can't get any better than that.
So we're hoping next week to show you a really spectacular Phase 2 unit. If we can coordinate with the builders for a walkthrough, we're hoping to do another hard hat tour. So tune in next week. In the meantime, if you have any questions, you can reach Michele and I at Badger Realty through calling Badger or our website, www.kearsargebrooknh.com. You can respond here to reach us or check out our website for more information.
Sounds great. And, you know, I'd just like to mention, Eileen, that Phase 2 construction is on schedule, and we are planning on having occupancy and closings. We have 9 of the units sold and hoping to have those closed by December 1.
Yes, so exciting. Construction is well underway, so hopefully we'll get to walk through there with you next week.
Nice.
Thanks for tuning in.
Bye-bye.